Yes, friends, Vanakkam. Greetings to you. Welcome to today's session. Today's session, we are going to learn numbers, numerals, very basic, fundamental numbers we are going to learn. And what are the languages we are going to learn? We are going to learn Tamil, we are going to learn Hindi also. And what is a medium? You all know. So, friends, you like the video, please like it and please share it with your friends. If possible, if need, you kindly subscribe to our channel. It is a channel spreading goodness. It is a channel spreading goodwill. It is a channel spreading national integration. We are all one. We are one Indian. We are Indian and we are one. Okay, friends? Start பண்ணலாமா? Shall we start? Start करेंगे? Okay. Now, what is the numbers, numerals, basic numerals from 1 to 10? 1. English equivalent, number 1. What is in Hindi? It is ek. 1, 1, ek. 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. What is in Hindi equivalent? Teen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. அடுத்து என்ன? What next? Next, 6. Number 6. In Tamil it is Aru. There is another meaning for Aru. It is Nadi, river. For river also it is Aru. And number 6 also it is Aru. Aru, 6. Then in the equivalent, Che. Che. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Che. Then Sat. Sat, 7. So in our Tamil, 7. 7. அடுத்து, next, 8. 8 is very simple, Ettu. Literary name is Ettu. However, while speaking, we do not stress much to. We say Ettu. Am I clear? Do you understand? Though it is Ettu, while speaking, we say Ettu. We do not stress on the two. Okay, friends? 8. हिंदी का इक्विवेलेंट क्या है? 8. 8. Then 9. वापिस आइए. 9 पीछे से. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9 is 9 in Tamil. 9 is Hindi. Then 10. 10. Friends, 10 means Pattu. In Tamil, it is Pattu. 10. In Hindi, Das. Das. Okay. Pattu, however, in spoken, it is Pattu. We do not stress that tu. It is Pattu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then what about after 10? 10 के अப்புறம் 10 के बाद 10 के बाद friends 11, 11, 11, 11. தமிழ் ஈக்குவலண்ட் என்ன? 11. 11. Padi is coming from that Pattu. Pattu originating, therefore it is 11. 10 plus 1, 11. 11. Next number 12. 12. Friends, what is in Tamil? Panirendu. Panirendu. 12. What about Hindi? Bara. Very simple. Bara. Only 2 words. Bara. 2 letters. Bara. In Tamil it is 12, 12 English. Next number 13. Again 13, very simple in Hindi, only 2 words, 2 letters. Tera. Tera. Tera has got another meaning. It is yours. Tumara. Tera. It is yours. So Tera is 13. What is in Tamil? Padi. Moonu. Moonu plus Padi. Padi already we know it is originating from Pattu. Padi Moonu. From here onwards, Padi Moonu, Padi Nalu, Padi Nanju, Padi Naru, Padi Nelu, Padi Nettu, Pattunbadu, Irubadu. Are you clear? Do you understand? Tera ke baad, it is in a line. Very simple. In Tamil, it is originating from Padi, therefore it is Padimoonu, Padinalu, 14. What is 15? Padananju. What is 15? Padananju. In the equivalent, Pandra. In the equivalent, Pandra. What is 12? 12 is Bara, 15 is Pandra. Next, 16. Sola. In Hindi it is Sola. 17. 18. Athara. 18 is Atara. 19 and 20. Okay friends, it is a very simple. Kindly study once again. Take the screenshot and refer to any book which gives you fundamental numerals from number 1 to 10. From 10 onwards, it is 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. 10 to 20. It is a fundamental lesson. Kindly, it is interesting. Please like it, share it and subscribe the channel. Friends, happy learning. Bye. Wish you all the best.